Daringbadi, Kashmir of Odisha. This beautiful hill station is located in Kandhamal district of Odisha. Due to proper climatic similarity and high altitude location, it simply justifies the name Kashmir of Odisha. On a winter day, we are ready equipped with our warm clothes to enjoy and share the beauty of nature 3000 feet above the sea level. We have to cover 230 kilometers from Bargarh district via Subarnapur district to reach the destination. It was a rigorous 6-hour journey in a car, but I can say you friends, it's quite enjoyable. The serpentine road amongst deep forest gives a feeling of roller coaster ride. It was quite amazing. Closer we are to Daringbadi, an adventurous feeling fills the heart. Plying on the twisted roads amidst high-rise pine forest will definitely make you experience Kashmir Valley. Air started to become chilled. We also did a campfire near our post. The best and beautiful part of Daringbadi could be the sunrise. I'd like to advise, never miss the sunrise in Daringbadi. Popping out of sun from the back of the hill is heavenly.
Daringbadi is named after a British officer, Daring, who was posted here long before our independence. I'm sure he must have looked for the perfect hill station over the state. Vertically growing, tall, evergreen pine trees gives an immense impression as if they are competing with each other to touch the sky. The combination of green trees and concrete beach road is tremendously beautiful.
The scenic beauty of Daringbadi is to its fullest from the hilltop park. Beautifully designed infrastructures and the combination of greeneries makes it amusing. A calm, quiet, peaceful place one could never find in the middle of forest. One must experience this sort of traditional feeling when somebody comes to Kandhamal district. Innocent tribal population of this area are far from civilization and carefully preserve their tradition. We are at Midubanda waterfall, which is just 12 kilometers away from the center of the small town. stairs lead us to the fall, opening a mind-blowing panorama of wide waterfall and surrounding. Don't even attempt to go for a dip. Water is very cold over here. It's too cold to bear.
Did you know about the fact that coffee grown in Odisha? Yes, my friends, it's true. We are in the coffee garden. The aroma is filled with the true smell of coffee beans all around. Besides coffee, we found a big rock from the Ramasetu. Cute animals like rabbits are also present in the garden. Even in low budget, tourists can plan to spend holidays in Daringbadi and experience the environment of Kashmir. We occupied 3 rooms in Aditya Guest House for Rs 2000 only. Even if you're alone, don't miss to visit Lovers Point. You will be delighted. The place is surrounded by hills and river.
Sunset in Daringbadi is equally good to experience as the sunrise. The bright sun first gets tired turning orange and then hides himself behind the hills, leaving you in silent darkness of peace. You can touch all the spots in a day, but Daringbadi will definitely leave a deep impression in your heart and revitalize your mind. I am excited to experience the serpentine road I like the most on my return journey.